Today we're unpacking Pump, a token tied to the Pump.fun platform that's been lighting up the crypto-degenerate world. From wild updates like trading on your PS Vita to charts hinting at a breakout, there's a lot to unpack. Is Pump the hidden gem pill you've been hunting for, or is it a risky bet you should steer clear of? In this video, we'll dive into the freshest news, break down the technicals, and figure out what's really going on. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know if Pump deserves a spot in your portfolio. Let's roll. Alright, let's start with the basics. Pump is the heart of Pump.fun, a platform built on Solana blockchain. Think of Pump.fun as a playground where anyone can create and trade tokens, no fancy tech skills needed. According to CoinMarketCap, Pump is sitting at rank number 74 with a market cap over $1 billion. That's the total value of all Pump tokens out there right now. The price? It is hovering around $0.003, a 57% drop since launch. Typical airdrop behavior. There's a total supply of 1 trillion Pump tokens, with about 354 billion floating around right now. That means more could hit the market later, which might shake up the price. You can grab Pump on big exchanges like Bybit, Coinbase, and OKX, so it's legit and easy to trade. That's the rundown. Pump's got a solid foundation, but let's see what's driving it lately. Getting to the good stuff, the charts. If you're new to this, technical analysis is like reading a treasure map for traders. It shows us where the price might go based on patterns and signals. So, here's what's up with Pump on the USDT pair. 4 hours time frame, since we don't have much history. Since hitting its all-time high back on July 16th, Pump has been sliding down a hill. Think of it like a ski slope, marked by this yellow descending trend line. Every time it tries to climb, it bumps into that line and rolls back. Right now, it's chilling around 0.003, smack in a green box on my chart. These green boxes are by zones, spots where buyers might jump in and push the price up. It's like a support floor where the price could bounce. There's this tool called Supertrend. It's a line that switches between red and green to show the trend. Right now, it's red, meaning we're still in bear territory, with sellers calling the shots. But hold up, another indicator, the Heikin-Ashi RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is screaming oversold. That's a fancy way of saying Pump's been dumped so hard it might be ready for a comeback. Imagine a rubber ball hitting the ground. It's gotta bounce eventually, right? I've drawn some Fibonacci levels too. Think of them as price checkpoints. If Pump breaks above 0.04 or 0.05, it could aim for the bigger take-profit spots at 0.09, 0.13, or 0.17. That's where I'm cashing out. But watch out. If it crashes below that red dashed line on a weekly close, the setup's toast, and I'd cut my losses. For now, the chart's teasing a potential turnaround, but it's gotta prove itself by breaking that trend line. The Pump ecosystem's been cooking with updates, and I've got the scoop straight from X. First off, over $14 million in fees have been redirected to token creators on Pump.fun, and over 10,000 addresses have received over $100 in rewards. That's a big deal. It shows they're serious about growing this thing. One creator even shared how their project, Do It for the Vine, racked up over $11,000 with $82 ready to claim. That's real money for real people building on this platform. Then there's this game changer, creator fees for community takeovers or CTOs. If a project's dev bails, the community can step in, claim those fees, and keep things rolling. The catch? You need crystal clear proof you're the right leader. No fakes allowed. They've got a form to apply, and the team's strict about keeping it legit. This could spark a ton of activity, bringing abandoned tokens back to life. Oh, and get this, Pump.fun raised $600 million in just 12 minutes on Solana. No bankers, no fuss, just pure crypto hustle. That's wild efficiency, and it's why Solana's shaking up how money moves in this space. The Pump community is on fire, and Pump.fun's live streams are proof. Creators going live, showing off tokens with market caps from thousands to millions. It's like Twitch for crypto, real-time hype and connection. You can now use Pump.fun on your PS Vita too. Yep, that old-school gaming handheld just became a crypto trading gadget. This community's alive, and it's growing fast. Let's talk markets. Pump just landed on Hyperliquid for spot trading, deposits, withdrawals, the works. That's a big platform, and it means more people can jump in, boosting liquidity. Exchanges like Bybit and MEXC are seeing heavy action too, with millions in daily volume. It's everywhere, from Coinbase to OKX, showing Pump's got legs. Solana's the real star here, though. Over 75% of Pump.fun's ICO cash, think hundreds of millions, came through Solana, with over 10,000 wallets joining the party. The average buy, $539. That's regular folks and big players alike betting on this ecosystem. It's a sign Pump's not just a flash in the pan. So, where does Pump stand? It's a token with a passionate community, wild updates, and a chart that's showing a big opportunity. The technicals hint at a bounce if it can bust through that trend line with juicy targets. Those uncirculated tokens could shake things up, and that red super trend's a reminder to stay sharp. I'm pumped about this one, but you've got to weigh the risks yourself. Love this deep dive. Smash that like button and drop a comment. Tell me if you're eyeing Pump or passing on it. Subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro for more daily breakdowns like this. And if you're hungry for more chart action, check out our last video. You're the best part of this channel. Let's keep stacking that knowledge and those gains together. Catch you tomorrow in the next one. Oh, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.